Check out this video overview to connect Omni to Microsoft PowerPoint. Hello everyone, this is Joseph from RollStack. In this video, I will show you how you can use RollStack to automate your data-driven reporting utilizing both data and visualizations coming from Omni. RollStack is a platform designed to help you automate your data-driven slide decks and documents. And the way it does that is by allowing you to connect on one side to data sources, business intelligence tools, CRMs, spreadsheets, and use that to automate your data-driven reporting. Typical use cases include business reviews, financial reporting, client presentations, and many more. In this video, we're going to be utilizing Omni as our primary data source to demonstrate precisely how you can leverage data from Omni to automate your PowerPoint or your Google Slides decks. The initial step requires connecting to Omni, which is known as one of the widely used data integrations that are fully supported within RollStack's platform. Following this, you can then directly select from your OneDrive or Google Drive the specific presentation deck you intend to use as your starting point. In this particular example, we're going to be using a PowerPoint file, but you can certainly do the same with Google Slides, Google Docs, or even emails. I'm confident you'll recognize the typical deck structure here. Multiple slides with visualizations that come in this specific case, directly from Omni, offering a blend of visuals, narratives, and commentaries. On this slide, RollStack is able to update everything automatically for you, from getting the visualization from Omni, helping you write narratives and insights using AI to even recommend you a headliner. Now, the way you can achieve this is by first connecting to the specific format of your choice. In this particular example, you'll be selecting the template directly from your OneDrive or SharePoint. And from there, RollStack will then clearly show you the foundational skeleton of your presentation deck. From this point, we'll discuss three main elements that will help you automate your presentation decks. First, you can include visualizations, which we'll create together right here in this example, fetching them directly from Omni as our data source. Second, you can use AI to extract insights, write stories, narratives, and commentaries like the one I showed you earlier. 3. You can add variables. Variables are things like the update date, the client name or client logo that RollStack can add automatically for you on your presentations. When working with Omni, you will first need to select your visualizations, and then the next thing you'll do is choose your specific Omni instance. After that, you will then proceed to select the dashboard you wish to use as your initial starting point. For this example, we're going to select the Orders Overview section, and from here, you'll be opening it up exactly as you would see it displayed within Omni. You're also able to input any specific filters. For example, right here, we're selecting a specific country from our drop-down list, choosing the US. These filters will be saved for you and applied automatically whenever RollStack runs an update. Next, all you need to do is select the specific visualizations you want to add to your slide. Here, for instance, we are selecting these three and then clicking Confirm. The great thing about RollStack is that it lets you export your visualizations either in the Omni format, looking exactly as they do and feel in Omni, or you can convert them into native PowerPoint charts if you prefer PowerPoint-specific rendering, its look and feel, and also if you need them to be perfectly on brand. Now let's say we like the Omni format better. We're going to hit Save, and from here, RollStack will go ahead and add those visualizations for you directly on the deck. Now that RollStack is done adding those visualizations for us, we can simply open up our deck and take a look at the end result. As you can see here, the visualizations were added in very high quality. You can format them, reposition them, resize them. Any formatting you make on the deck side will be saved and preserved throughout the subsequent updates. Now from here, you don't have to do anything else. Everything will be on autopilot for you. You can schedule your decks to update automatically. Here, for example, you see that we have our deck set to update every week at 6 p.m. Next, you can schedule the delivery of these decks directly to your stakeholders and audience via email, other communication channels, which helps you distribute the decks automatically to your audience. Hope this was useful. If you have any questions, you can reach out on rollstack.com. Visit rollstack.com and start your free trial today.